Hello everyone! Today let's create a model, Spore and Spell Bottle, and use the Blender's program to create a model of Pierce and Luminous Mushroom. Shift A to add the UV sphere model to create the bottle. Select some face and delete them. Select a point below and make some adjustment. Select the top line and place it to X to the face. Place X to change the size of the face. Add the solidified modifier to add the thickness. Add the bevel modifier to smooth. Select the line centers of the bottles and place Ctrl B to bevel the line. Shift A to add the cylinder's model to cover the bottle cap. Add the bevel modifier and change the value. Shift A to add the cylinder's model to create the portions in the bottle. Add the bevel modifier to smooth it more. Select the lines and shift it to copy the line. Place P, select the selection. Click right, select Convert to Curve. Change the value in the depth on the right hand too. Shift A to add the planes model to create the size of the bottle. Add the solidified modifier to add the thickness to the planes model. Shift A to add the cylinder's model. Place Shift D to copy the portions border. Set the cameras to view snapshots of all models. Shift A to add the cylinder's model and place Ctrl R to add the line for the center. As the bevel modified. Shift A to add the UV sphere border to create the mushroom. Select some face and delete them. Select the bottom lines and extrude it. Place S to adjust the size slightly. Place F to add the face, and place I to insert the face inside one time. Add the subdivision surface and change the level to 2. Shift A to add the plane's model and change the size to long to create the background. Adjust the camera's angle again, this time until we get a satisfactory shot. Change one scene to the shader editor to add the material for the models. The initial material is the bottle that changes the loudness, IORs, and transmission values. Move the shader to set it between the principal and materials output. Shift A to add the emission node. Shift A to add the funnel. You can choose any colors you want. For other nodes, set to the same color. The next material is the labels on the bottle. Shift A to add the noise textures and place Ctrl T to add the mapping and texture coordinate. Shift A to add the color length and bump node. Change the color to a brown color tone. For the loaf, copy the finished materials and change the color and values. For closed bottle, wave textures, noise textures, and bump notes are used as the main patterns generation. Add the finished materials to all models. For the mushroom body, we only use a little colors and setting the shine. You can choose any color you like. In this video, choose a color that matches the medicines in the bottle. the dark purple for the background. Shift A to add the point right. Generally, select the power supply positions and adjust the power supply. Shift A to add the area right, change the size and set it on the top of all models. Change the value in the roughness and transmission. Shift A to add the emission node for mushroom. This is the whole contents of this video. If you have any questions or want to make another model, you can tell us in the comments below. Finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you!